Okay, this is a bit of a new video. Totally, never done this before. This is going to be a video. I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube right here in the mirror for the first time. And I'm just going to move the camera a bit closer to the mirror. Okay. Just so you know as well, I've never solved a cube in the mirror before. So this could take a long time. So please bear with me. And the only way I can actually solve the cube is by using the mirror. So I can't look at the cube. So I'm going to start now. There we go. Okay. Ah, fuck's sake. Okay, nearly got the first layer. First layer is done. Now let's move on. Oh shit. Nearly done. Almost there. Well, that is a cube solved in the mirror. I looked down once or twice. I don't know why I looked down, but yeah, bit of a bad mistake there. So yes, that is the cube solved in the mirror. I don't know how long it took me. I didn't time myself, but yeah, if you can do the cube in the mirror, if you can solve Rubik's Cube, no matter how long it takes you, if you can solve it while looking in the mirror, without looking down at the cube, then please post a video response to me, because I want to see who else can do it. So until next time guys, I will see you in the next video.